Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you or answer the questions on opening an account or Robinhood account in Europe. So basically, you cannot open a Robinhood account in most of Europe as the platform is not widely available there. You should go ahead and look for a Robinhood alternative in Europe. Basically, as a short explanation why Robinhood isn't available in Europe, because Robinhood does not accept clients from most European countries. For expansion purposes, Robinhood has not yet launched its services broadly in Europe. Basically, you can consider using alternatives like eToro and such. Now, you want to go ahead and research more about this topic because as of the moment, you cannot directly create an account on Robinhood if you're on something like Europe. So you want to make sure to go ahead and basically head over to their official website, click on the sign up button, and from here you then want to check whether your location is accepted or not. As of the moment, we only have two, which is United Kingdom and United States. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.